Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
Rainwater collection stands as one of the most accessible and impactful practices for anyone seeking to enhance their self-sufficiency, significantly reduce utility expenses, and adopt a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. The underlying principle is elegantly simple: to harvest the free, soft, and naturally pure water that falls directly onto your property. This practice transforms a common weather event into a valuable, tangible resource, fostering a deeper connection to the natural water cycle right from your own home. To fully appreciate the potential, the first step is understanding the remarkable yield possible. A standard calculation reveals that a mere 1 inch of rainfall on a 1,000 square foot roof catchment area can yield approximately 600 gallons of water. This means even a modest-sized home or garden shed can capture hundreds of gallons during a single average rainstorm, turning what is often unseen runoff into a substantial reserve for household and garden use. The most straightforward and popular entry point into rainwater harvesting is the classic rain barrel system. This highly effective method leverages a home's existing gutter and downspout infrastructure. The installation process is typically simple. A downspout is cut, and a commercially available diverter kit is installed. This diverter is a key component, as it intelligently channels water into the barrel while featuring an overflow mechanism that automatically redirects excess water back to the original downspout once the barrel reaches capacity, thereby preventing any potential waterlogging or foundation issues around the home. Rain barrels themselves can be purchased from most garden centers or online retailers, often featuring decorative designs, or one can choose the sustainable route of repurposing food-grade plastic drums or barrels. The critical requirements for any container are that it is thoroughly cleaned beforehand and is equipped with a secure, tight-fitting lid to effectively deter mosquitoes, prevent debris from entering, and ensure safety by avoiding any open water source. To make use of the water, a spigot or hose bib must be installed near the very bottom of the barrel. This allows for easy access to the water, enabling you to connect a standard garden hose for direct watering or to simply fill watering cans. For those with greater water needs, such as maintaining a large vegetable garden, multiple rain barrels can be daisy-chained together using linking kits or simple overflow hoses, creating a larger storage capacity without the need to lift or handle heavy individual containers. This modular approach allows a system to grow seamlessly with your needs and confidence. For properties without a guttering system, or for those wishing to collect water from other structures like a shed, greenhouse, or carport, effective collection is still entirely possible. Simple, improvised collection surfaces can be fashioned using heavy-duty tarps or plastic sheeting. By strategically angling these surfaces and securely directing the lower edge into a collection container, you create an efficient funnel for rainwater. This method is particularly useful for watering remote garden beds or specific areas of the yard that are far from the main downspouts. Water quality is a paramount consideration that scales with the intended use of the collected water. For basic garden irrigation, a simple fine mesh screen or filter placed over the barrel's inlet is sufficient to keep out leaves, twigs, and other large debris. However, for those who plan to use the water for more sensitive applications, such as watering edible vegetable gardens, filling a compost bin, or even for outdoor cleaning tasks where clarity matters, incorporating a first flush diverter is highly recommended. This simple device works by automatically diverting and isolating the initial runoff from the first part of a rainstorm. This initial water typically contains the highest concentration of dust, pollen, bird droppings, and other residues that have accumulated on the roof surface. By discarding this first flush, you ensure that significantly cleaner water enters your primary storage barrel, improving its quality and reducing maintenance. Proper storage and placement are crucial for the long-term success and ease of use of any rainwater collection system. All storage containers must be consistently covered to achieve 3 key goals: preventing water loss through evaporation, inhibiting algae growth by blocking sunlight — this is why dark-colored opaque barrels are ideal — and completely eliminating the risk of mosquito breeding. Placing barrels or tanks on a stable, perfectly level surface, such as a concrete pad or compacted gravel base, is essential for safety and stability. Furthermore, elevating the container even by a few inches, perhaps on a platform of cinder blocks or a purpose-built stand, can generate valuable gravitational water pressure. This simple act makes filling watering cans faster and can provide enough flow for a short hose, greatly enhancing convenience. Rainwater collection is a practical way to save money and conserve water. For easy access, a small electric pump can be added to provide tap-like pressure, ideal for watering distant gardens or for those with mobility concerns. Seasonal upkeep is simple. In freezing climates, drain barrels and disconnect hoses to prevent damage. In warmer areas, use non-toxic mosquito dunks to prevent pests. The uses for rainwater are extensive. Plants thrive on it because it's soft and free of chemicals like chlorine. It's also perfect for washing cars, outdoor cleaning, topping up pools, and watering houseplants. With basic filtration, it can even be used for laundry and toilet flushing, significantly reducing household water bills. Starting is straightforward. Calculate your potential collection by multiplying your roof area by local rainfall. 1 inch of rain on 1,000 SQFT yields about 600 gallons. Begin with a single barrel to learn the basics. Always check local regulations first, as most areas support rainwater harvesting. While metal roofs offer the purest water, standard asphalt shingles are fine for outdoor use. This simple step towards self-sufficiency begins saving water and money with the very next rain. Collecting rainwater is a demonstrable, empowering step toward environmental stewardship and personal resilience. A practical system that requires no complex technology, but simply a thoughtful effort to capture and utilize the natural abundance that falls freely from the sky.